Hello and Happy New Year from MrRRRay with video number 8. This is an update of the layout and the scenery. We'll have some trains running, and to start out I want to show the curtain that's been hung. This is some canvas drop cloth from the home improvement store that's covering the shelving that holds up this layout shown in video number 2. So some of the improvements that have happened, I'm detailing this sanding station, not quite done, but will be soon. We've added rip-wrap causeway where the train goes through water here, not completed everywhere. A little bit more of that. Also, power poles. Detailed power poles have been added. We now have power to the city all the way through and around, way over there. In the middle, we've replaced the open service hatch with a lake bed on foam board that can be lifted out along with the ridge, rocky ridge, for access onto the table. The trees are on a piece of foam board, also can be removed so that you can actually climb up and walk on top of this table if need be. As we go around, there's the beginning of a beach installation. Here on the back side, this area was previously empty. And now we have a cattle ranch with about 30-40 cattle. We got a stream that'll be added coming through, loading docks. All of this is on foam board with the fence glued along the edge to hide the edge, but it can be lifted right out, and I can actually get up there and walk around or crawl around as needed. Coming around this way, we will get some trains running. We'll see how long that is successful. Beaches to be installed here. We did do a seawall. This will be beach, Smathers Beach. Some palm trees have been added. Santa brought us a couple of nice engines, a Rio Grande and a blue and yellow Santa Fe. So here we go, here goes some trains. Let's see how it works. Little maintenance train coming by. Here goes a passenger train. Here we have a fuel delivery. Every tank car I own is on this train. Follow this around. Here we go. Derailed. Derailed. What is next? I'll follow this one as long as it'll make it. Here we go. We got the passenger train doing well. Alright, I guess that's it, folks. Another successful night on the train.